Okay, this is my third belching video, and so yeah, the belches that you've heard in the other videos were just warm-ups. Here are going to be the real belches of mine. Time to show off what I can really do. Yeah! Okay, here goes. Yeah, that felt good. Okay, here's my next one. Yeah. Ew. Okay, wait. I almost coughed up popcorn. Ew. Okay, wait. I can't do it. I just finished eating popcorn, so yeah. But I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, I have another belch. Hold on. I have another one. Uh-oh. Ew. Yeah.